Fireworks on the stand at Donald Trump's civil fraud trial on Monday as the former president's testimony went off the rails in a case that could determine his future as a businessman in New York. Trump attacked both the judge and New York Attorney General Letitia James as he testified, complaining of unfair treatment.
This is really election interference. That's all it is. This trial is ridiculous.
Outside the courtroom, the frontrunner for the Republican nomination in the 2024 election again accused the judge and attorney general of being politically biased against him.
These are political operatives that I'm going to be dealing with right now. You have a racist attorney general who made some terrible statements.
James brushed aside Trump's attacks as distractions.
He rambled, he hurled insults, but we expected that. At the end of the day, the documentary evidence demonstrated that, in fact, he falsely inflated his assets.
Under questioning about his company's accounting practices, Trump repeatedly clashed with Judge Arthur Engoron, who at one point told the former president, quote, "This is not a political rally. This is a courtroom." At one point, Engoron warned that he might remove Trump from the witness stand if he did not answer questions directly, asking one of Trump's attorneys, quote, "Can you control your client?" After clashing with the judge, Trump left the courtroom for a break, gesturing as if he was zipping his lips. Engoron has fined Trump $15,000 for twice violating a limited gag order that prevents him from criticizing court staff. The judge has already ruled that Trump's property estimates were fraudulent and will decide whether to impose hundreds of millions of dollars in fines and other penalties that could shrink his real estate empire. During his testimony, Trump acknowledged that his company did not provide accurate estimates of various property assets. But he said that should not matter because the estimates included language saying they might not be accurate and that the banks did not take them seriously. New York state lawyers argued in their lawsuit that the estimates were pumped up and misled lenders and insurers, earning Trump $100 million and exaggerating his wealth by $2 billion. The trial was originally scheduled to run through early December, but could wrap up sooner as the state calls its final witnesses. Trump's daughter Ivanka is due to testify on Wednesday, though she is not a defendant in the case.